Hello Neve's fam, this is Neve from Neve's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, first of all, you must be thinking why I'm sitting bare face here. And if you read the title, I am going to do a reverse makeup challenge. This makeup is nothing new, and this is a pretty old challenge. I think probably a year ago or close to about a year ago. So a lot of people have done this reverse makeup, and last time when I was researching something makeup, so I saw a lot of suggested videos saying reverse makeup, and I was like, so this is interesting and fun. And I think the first or the second videos which came up was Nikki tutorial and Tati, but I did not go inside to see what they did, how it turned out. So I thought maybe I will do this challenge video, because I don't think so I have done anything fun, like a fun challenge on this on my channel actually. So reverse makeup is basically whatever product you put towards the end, you have to start with that. So for example, if I normally we end our makeup with the makeup setting spray, so I have to start my makeup with the makeup setting spray and see in what order I do my makeup. So I have to just basically reverse that. So I think it would be a nice challenge, fun challenge, and I'm eager to see what it's going to be and how I'm going to look. So without any further delay, let's get started. So okay, so I have to think. First let me put my hair away from my face. And I have just cleaned my face and moisturized it, so I have nothing on my face. Okay, so first thing is, like, I end my, as I told you, my makeup with the makeup setting spray. So I am going to start my makeup with the makeup setting spray. I tell you, this is going to be very interesting. So there we go. So what do I do before makeup setting spray is lipstick. So what I'm going to do is, normally I put lip liner, lipstick. Sometimes I don't put lip liner and just directly put lipstick, but just for the challenge I will definitely do this reverse. So I'm going to put my lipstick first, and then I'm going to do the liner. And if you want to know which lipstick I applied, and this is a Tarte Lippy Lingerie, and the color is Enticing. So that's what I have right now. And for the lip liner, I'm going to use this, and this is from Wet n Wild gel lip liner. What is the color? Yeah, Bear to Comment and 651B. Okay, done. So I am done with the lip part. So now I have to see what I do next. Basically I do, if I'm doing my eyes, yes, mascara and the lower lash line. So before, yes, that's what I do. So for my mascara, I am going to apply this Tartist from Tarte, and normally what I do is I apply on the upper, and then I apply some color on my lower lash line. Then afterwards I do my lower lashes. I coat mascara with that. So I'm going to do the lower lashes with this one here. So there you go, and now I'm going to move on to my lower lash line, and I am going to I'm going to use this Wet n Wild. I recently got it, and this is Wet n Wild Color Icon Rose in the Air, and I am going to use this brush, and this brush is AOA Studio E134, and this does not have any mirror. So yes, I did my lower lash line. So normally I move on to in the reverse order. I would apply glitter towards the end after I do my foundation and all. So I will put glitter now, then I would do my blush. Yeah, so that would be in reverse order. So let's go ahead with the glitter. So for my highlighter, and I kept saying glitter, for my highlighter I'm going to use this Ofra highlighter, and this is a Rodeo Drive, and I am nowadays enjoying applying with this fan brush. So I'm going to apply everywhere I normally apply. So yeah, these are the places I normally apply my highlighter. And now let's move on to the blush, and for the blush I want to apply this Note. I'm really loving this color, this is 05 Desert Rose, and I had got it in my last Boxy Charm, and since then I've been applying like last two times. And let's see what I do after. So what do I do before this? Yes, I set my concealer, like an under eye concealer, with the pressed powder. No, not with the pressed powder, with the loose or pressed, whatever. So, and you know, after concealer, so I will apply my powder on my under eye, and then I would put concealer and then foundation. Wow guys, let's see what's going to happen. I'm excited. So I wet my sponge. Normally I apply my powder with my wet sponge, because when I apply my foundation concealer with the sponge, I just use the same sponge to apply my powder to set my concealer. So I'm going to use this loose powder, which is from Studio Makeup, and again I got this in my Boxy Charm, one of the Boxy Charm, I don't remember which one. So I applied the powder. As you can clearly see, my under eyes have started becoming dry. So now I'll move on to my concealer, and I'm going to use my favorite Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the color medium. So medium is slightly lighter than my skin tone, that's why I use this one, and the closest to my skin tone is tan. It is so drying, guys. So now you can see what not to do. Can you see how dry it's looking? So I have to apply the concealer where I normally do. So now comes the foundation. Oh my god, look at this white, and it's all dryness. So I am going to take LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation in the color Nude Beige. So the next thing after the foundation is, so I cannot set anything here because I've already applied the powder. So the next thing would be the eyebrows, because I normally do eyebrows after I do my eyes. So I'm going to do eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use the Pro Gal by Tonya Crooks, and this is also from BoxyCharm. So yes, eyebrows done. So now I have to move to the eyes, and this is the most one of the most scary part, because I have not applied any eye base, and I'm not going to. And as you can see, my eyes are a bit oily. Normally they are oily, and then because I started with the makeup setting spray, it's looking more oily. So, and also I applied the foundation, that didn't help. Okay, so for today I'm going to do like a very simple look, that would be like not doing the challenge properly, because on my videos, on my YouTube makeup videos, I normally do certain looks which are not really very simple. So I'm just going to do something in between. So I have to start this look because I do transition, then I do crease, lid, and towards the end I do like a dark. So I'm gonna do dark first, then I'm going to apply something on my lid, and then crease, and then transition. Okay, so for that I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette, and again from BoxyCharm. I'm going to use it for the first time, and this is from Crown Brush Pro, and this is how it looks. Isn't it beautiful? The pans are really big, and it also comes with a mirror here. So let's see how these colors are, using it for the first time. Okay, so I have to apply okay, so first thing which I am going to apply is the brow bone highlight. Yes, I do that. Like when I do my eye look, that's the last thing I do, so I have to start with that. I'm going to use this ColourPop brush E1, and I am going to use this color. These colors do not have name. It's like a beige, and it's a satin. It's not completely matte. It's a nice color for brow bone highlight. So for the dark corners, I am going to use this color. It's like a dark brown. And I'm trying that the color moves. And thank God I don't wear the eyelashes so often, because otherwise it would have been so difficult. So the next thing which I have to do is apply the main lid color, and then move to crease, and then to the transition. And for the crease color, I would like to use this color. So now I'm going to apply a transition color, and for that I'm going to use this Milani blending brush. It says blending, and for that I am going to use this color, and this would be my crease color. Then I'll move on to my transition. Okay, so let's move on to the transition color, and for that I am going to use this brush, because normally I use little bigger brush. And for the transition I'm going to use this color. Oh, I don't mind doing like this at all, because it's blending all the colors together and it's removing any, like if it was too dark or something. So this, even this reverse makeup thing is taught me something new. Wow, eyes turned out pretty good. I don't mind this look at all if I have to do, and I will definitely in my next makeup eye makeup look, I'm going to do the transition towards the end, because it really blended any darkness or harshness of any of the color. Pretty sure I'm not missing anything except the ending my makeup with a makeup setting spray, which I did, but now I have to apply a primer instead of a makeup setting spray. So now I am going to finish my makeup with the primer, and here I am little bit trying to be smart in the sense that I am going to use this again, because this is MAC Prep plus Prime, so I can prime with that. So let's go ahead. So this completes my the reverse full face makeup challenge. And what do you think, guys? I have to just see how long my eye makeup will stay. Other than that, everything looks okay. The only thing I'm missing, which I feel is missing, is the blush, and the highlighter is completely gone, so there's no color on my face. But it's all good. It's a makeup challenge, and I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to comment below and let me know, and please subscribe, guys. It really means a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. But you don't forget to hit that notification bell just to see my future videos. It will notify you about it. And now I'll see you next time. Bye.